Okay. Good morning, guys, and thank you so much for joining this session. And okay, this is a internship demo in networking domain. Okay, I will explain about Cisco courses, Juniper courses, and Palo Alto courses. Currently, what exactly the IT companies are looking for, right? I prepared a program called internship program, and I will explain each and everything clearly. Okay, so before going to start anything, let me introduce myself. Before introduce myself, let me introduce about my company. My company logo is this. This is Tungabhadra Networks. I proudly say it's a brand. Okay. The thing is, we are dealing with purely networking courses. Okay. Only purely networking company. Okay. So we deal with all CCNA, CCNP, JNCA, JNCA, everything PCNSE. Okay. And this is our website. Okay. And now if you see right, this is the introduction of myself. Okay, so my name is Ramesh Goud. I have 11 plus years of experience in entire networking domain. I worked in Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. Currently, I'm working in here. Okay, and my colleague, not my colleague, my another partner, he's working in Palo Alto. He's a Palo Alto tech engineer. He will take care of Palo Alto course. Now, Palo Alto firewall is the top four skill out of 100 skills in 2025. Okay, so we'll explain each and everything what is it. Okay, so yeah, so the entire internship course is designed by myself and Karthik, you know. So we are not going with the syllabus. Okay, what is the syllabus of CCNA, what is the syllabus of Nokia, I mean what is the syllabus of CCNP, Juniper, JNCA and PCNSE. See, we are training, we are giving, we prepared a syllabus, okay, based on the industries, what exactly the industries are looking for. For example, there is a protocol called BGP. That protocol is not part of CCNA, but we included here because industries are asking. Okay, so this is not like a we are explaining syntax and giving a lab like that. So whatever we are teaching, right, where exactly this protocol is. First of all, what is this protocol? Where exactly it is used? In which real time project? For each and every protocol, we'll give you a real time project. Okay. So once you complete this internship, you will get a 10 years of experience. People who are having 10 years of experience in networking domain, that kind of knowledge you will get it. Okay. So everything. Okay. So let me continue. And again, I'm telling you, this is not an institute. Okay, I'm telling you again and again, this is not at all an institute. We are not following institute policies. We are going against them. We are teaching everything practically. We are prepared the courses by ourselves, and this is called, what is this? Can anyone guess what is this? Can anyone expect? Can anyone?
Industrial training.
Yes, this is an industrial training. So, what do you mean by industrial training? You will learn everything practically as per the industries, where exactly they implemented the project. So, we have different kind of, topologies, scenarios. So, how they implemented the protocols, everything you will learn here with real-time projects. Okay. Yeah. Now, let's begin the show. Okay. Everyone is using internet, right? Everyone. Without internet, there is nothing. Okay, even if you go bathroom, you're carrying a mobile phone. Not everyone, lot of people accessing something, right? So generally, watching entertainment, like videos, funny videos, and watching Netflix. You used to watch everything. Not only end user. If you go to the bank, so banks are using internet, hospitals are using internet, everywhere. Without internet, there is nothing. All phone pay transaction, everything using internet only, right? How exactly internet works? Okay, right? One is through mobile. Okay, I'll come to the mobile thing later. So one thing is one broadband connection. Everyone will take a broadband connection like Airtel Extreme or Geo Fiber. You will pay 500 rupees per month, and you'll get 40 Mbps, 50 Mbps, or 100 Mbps speed of internet connection from the service provider. How exactly they will give you? internet connection to you. So this is a service provider. You can call Airtel or Geo Fiber or anything. So they will, connect a cable to you, a cable not to you. There is a router at your home. Okay. So they will lay the cable. So see here carefully. This is a box. This is a router box, Wi-Fi box. You can say this box is getting an input connection from. This is an optical converter. So they lay a fiber to you. It is called fiber to home. They will lay a fiber to your home. From there, we are connected to this optical cable. From optical cable to it is converting from optical to Ethernet, and Ethernet cable is connected to this Wi-Fi modem. And from this Wi-Fi modem, we are accessing the internet through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, or you can connect this Ethernet cable. There is a Ethernet cable. See, this is a Ethernet ports. You can connect to the TV or laptop. You can access via wired or wireless. This is one way. Another way is through mobiles. Mobile phone, there is an antenna. Okay. The mobile phone, there is an antenna, and you will see the tower, right? It is a wireless. So you will get a 4G, 5G, LTE, okay, through mobile carrier. And there is another way you can get internet. Can anyone expect? Sorry, can anyone guess it? What is another way we can get the internet?
Satellite.
Very good, satellite. See, satellite. How exactly it works? Simple. Like how you are taking a direct home. Suppose Airtel direct DTH TV is there, right? There is an antenna top of your first floor, right? First floor or second floor, wherever it is. There is an antenna there. From antenna to your home TV, right? There is a what is that? Modem. Modem is there. There is a dish cable is there. It is called coaxial cable. Okay, from there it is connected to the TV. Similarly, there is a antenna, there is a satellite. This satellite is connected to somewhere else, wireless. There is a huge antennas are there, which is located in somewhere, and they are connecting with satellite, and whoever has taken a connection, right? So satellite, via satellite, they will install one satellite antenna at your home. From there, it will connect to the router. From router to router, you're accessing the internet through wire and wireless. So this is another way. So who introduced this? Can anyone guess? Who?
Elon Musk.
Yes,
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. That's correct.
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Okay. Okay. So this course is all about internet, guys. In daily life, you're using internet, right? The technology is very familiar, and you know the things. But we are working behind the internet. How exactly internet works? Do you have a do you know how what is the process like? If you type a www.google.com, youtube.com on your browser, what exactly it will happen? We are immediately getting the web page. If you click on your mobile phone, right? Everyone is using Instagram, right? If you click on Instagram from on your phone, what exactly it is happening till the Instagram server? Okay, if you think like that, you will become a network engineer. Yeah, please go on mute. Can you please go on? Yeah. So you need to think in that way. So I'll explain you high level, okay, in a high level way, how exactly it works in our daily life. Everyone using Instagram or YouTube. Agree with me or not? Do you guys are using Instagram or YouTube, right? Generally in your life,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Now, so where these Instagram and YouTube servers are located? In data centers, somewhere in data centers like Texas, Seattle, or Dublin, UK, Bombay, Hyderabad, wherever the data center is located. In the data center, you will see these servers. Okay. So see here on your laptop, if you type a www.instagram.com and you open Instagram web page and you have taken a selfie, and that selfie image is something around 4 MB file. Okay. Or there is a video, it is having just 100 MB. Okay, whatever it is, the data represents MB binary information, right? So you're trying to upload through laptop or phone, okay, on Instagram server. Once you click on upload, right, based on your internet connection, see how exactly it works. Your laptop is connected with Wi-Fi router. This is router, we call router. It's a Wi-Fi router, and it is a modem. And this modem is, again, see, what is this modem? This is the one. Okay, wait a minute, let me highlight in different color. Whatever you see, right, this is a modem. Okay, it is getting an input connection from service provider like this. Okay, this modem is it got a connection from service provider, and this service provider again connected to the data center. I'm telling you, for every 30 to 40 kilometers, for every 30 to 40 kilometers, there is a router till the data center. Suppose my data center is located in Mumbai. I'm staying at Hyderabad. From Hyderabad to Mumbai, there is a 1,000 kilometers. It means at every 30 to 40 kilometers there is a router. Have you observed the mobile tower? If you observe the mobile tower, the bottom side there is a small box. Okay, in that small box you will see this kind of routers. Where exactly the routers are located? Randomly, right? At every 30 kilometers, it will located in orthogonal spectrum. Okay, if you are in that range, then only you will get a signal and you will able to call the other people, right? If there is a small rack beside the tower. Okay, there is a small rack. In that rack there is a router. That router is connected to the antenna. So you have a antennas on the tower, right? Here these antennas are connected through cables. See, these are the black cables. At the bottom side there is a small room. Okay, in that room there is a routers. I will show you later. Okay. Okay, just imagine, from your home to the data center. In data center there is Instagram and YouTube servers are located. I mean, which is installed there. And from your service provider is connected to the data center. Between every 30 to 40 kilometers there is a router. Not this router. This is the router where we use in home, at home. But this is a router which is different, which is very costly. I will show you in next slide how exactly the router looks like. Okay, so between router to router there is an optical cable. Have you seen the optical cable? If you see on Amirpet in Hyderabad, right, or everywhere you go, there is a black color cables on the poles, current poles. That is not a current wire, that is a fiber cable. Also, if you observe, right, there is a underground construction is going on. If government is doing that, right, it is digging the ground, and you will see yellow color pipes, right? Some pipes you will see from the ground. So those pipes are fiber cables. So in India, from each district to village, each district to another district, they lay the fiber. Who? Airtel, Jio, Sifi, Tata Communication. These are the service provider. They have their own cable. They laid through underground to each and every village. They had a connections. Okay. Yeah. At every 30 to 40 kilometers, you install a router till data center. This is a data center. This data center also connected to the service provider. Again, we have at our end we are connecting to the service provider. This data center is also connecting to a service provider, and they are advertising this server. They are advertising this server in public, so that we are accessing the Instagram server, and whatever the data you are uploading, right, it is storing here. So how the data is traveling generally from your laptop to service provider, and every 30 kilometers like this, and till the data center, right? This is how, this is just a high level overview. Okay, now I will show you the physical server, how exactly it look like. So see, this is a data center, and if you see, right, this is a server. This is the storage server. If you see, right, these are the hard disks. You are uploading your photos and videos, right? Where exactly it is storing? In Instagram server, storage server. These are the storage servers. These servers at the back end, there is a cables. Those are connected to these routers. Okay, who is maintaining these routers and switches? We are the network engineers who maintains all these things. Okay, so see here, behind the internet there is a storage servers. See, these are the bunch of racks. You will see bunch of racks, and you will see bunch of servers which are connected to the routers. Okay, understood? All, see, this guy is inserting a server which is having Intel storage server. The size of the servers will be 100 TB. It's a huge. Okay, petabytes also. After TB it will be a 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte, right? Like that. You can see the huge data storage server, I mean hard disks. These are SSDs, solid state devices. Okay, simply call whatever you are uploading, right, the data is storing here. Okay, now if you see, right, this is the Google data center. You can see how many racks here we are having. see if these are the servers, and these yellow cables, right? These yellow cables are connected to the routers at the back end. Okay, whatever you see here, right? The yellow cables are blue or yellow blue. Those are connected to the, see here. If you see at the top, right? This is a top of rack. These servers are connected to this router. Are you able to see? I'm marking here. Let's see with red color. See if you see, right? Here there is a small router, right? All the servers are connected to this router. This router is again connected to the service provider. That's how we are able to access the Google. Okay. Yeah. Now, how exactly internet works? So I just explained you just a overview. And now in entire world, how exactly internet works? See, this is a ocean internet cable. This is not a snake, guys. This is a ocean internet cable. Okay. Each country is connected to each other. If you want to share something, right, you need to connect each other, right? You have to establish a connection, then only you need to share the data. So how the countries are connected each other? Okay, how the countries are connected to each other? See here, see, this is a ocean cable. So each and every country is connected to each other. Suppose India, India is connecting to other countries. Can we check the places where exactly India is connected to other countries? Okay, before going to show that, see, this is a cable we lay under sea. This is undersea cable. Okay, so can see, right, these are the codes, whatever the data, something, T20 World Cup happened in you know USA, and recently the BGT series, happened in Australia. We are watching live. We are watching live cricket, right? How exactly are watching? Because all the countries are connected with these cables, and the data, the internet data is exchanging through these cores. These are the glasses. These cores are made with glass. Okay. So the data will form in the form of light. Okay, light speed is 3 into 10 to the power of 8, right? That much of speed. By using this much of speed, light speed, we can send the data with light speed. But still, we didn't develop that much, we didn't develop the technology. We are just achieving, 1 Gbps per second, 2 Gbps per second right now. I think so. Okay. Yeah. So if you see, right, this is the cores. To protect this cores from sharks, you know, you can see, right, it's a ocean. You will see a lot of big sharks. To protect from sharks and other things, it's a cladding. If you see, right, if you recall your BTech subjects, physics, or in optical communication in ECE candidates, right, or intermediate physics, you can see core and cladding subject. This is a core, this is a cladding, it is protecting the core. See, it is protecting with the core. Okay. Yeah. So this is how they lay the cable. Now can we check where exactly the India is connected? See, this is the map. This is a road map. This is how India is connected with other countries. Now tell me what you are seeing here. Where India, okay, at Mumbai, India is connecting. Sorry. So you can see that there is this is called Internet Exchange Points, IXPs, Tier 1, you can say. Okay. So the India is connected with other countries at Mumbai location. See, Mumbai to other countries like Iran, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and other countries, Somalia, like that. Also, if you see, right, Cochin, Trivandrum, Tuticorin, and Chennai, you can see, right, these are the locations where exactly India is connected with other countries. See, Chennai to Malaysia. Do you know why Ambani? Do you know Ambani gave free of Geo? He launched the 4G, right? Geo 4G in the year of 2016. He gave us the subscription freely. Why he gave freely? Anyone have any idea? Because he
because
has
he
his,
owns
yeah. Please go ahead.
because he owns his own coaxial cable.
Yes, not coaxial, you can say fiber. He has
Yeah,
his
fiber.
own, yeah. He laid the cable by himself, like not himself in the sense his team, He has his own connections with other countries. So that he has his own connection, he no need to buy it. That's why he gave without charging any single penny from the customer. For 2 years he gave, okay, those services. Now he's extending his services to Malaysia, Singapore countries. He want to give these geo services in other countries. Still, this cable laying is still in process. Okay. this cable manufacture is doing happening in Chennai as well. Okay, or they are importing from other countries. So all the industrial things, right? Cable manufacturing companies and towers. Do you know antennas, 4G, 5G, 5G antennas? Who is manufacturing those 5G antennas? Nokia. Nokia company. It is manufacturing in Chennai. Okay. Yeah, this is how, this is the overall, connections between the countries. Now, from Mumbai, so what we can do, it's like a market. So if I have a general store, I will purchase 10 kgs of tomato with low at low cost, okay, and I will sell with higher price. Similarly, the broadband connections called like Act Fiber or your local broadband connections. They're taking a input from these IXPs and they are giving services to us entire in your city or like that. Airtel, suppose Airtel, they will buy a connection from internet exchange points and they will establish their connections to each and every state in India. They laid their own cable under, how can I say that? Through underground, you can say they lay the cable through underground. Okay. Yeah, so that's how it is. Okay, this is the high level overview. Okay, how exactly things at behind the internet, you can say. Okay, now I would like to tell you one more thing which is very important. Suppose the data, see, this is a fiber, right? The data will travel in the form of light. Light is also have some threshold, right? Like it means it can travel up to some time. Okay, so light can that based on the power. Okay, suppose the signal, right, the laser signal can travel up to 100 kilometers generally. We have a device called DWDM device. The DWDM device boosts this laser signal up to 100 kilometers. Okay, now you you have a connection from Mumbai to Chennai and it is having 2000 kilometers. Just example, 2000 kilometers. Now signal is losing at every 100 kilometers. What you need to do, you need to install these DWDM devices. It's our layer 1 devices. Okay, I worked on the DWDM devices so that I just capture this and I'm showing here. So during CCNA classes also I will explain about this clearly. Okay, so for every 100 kilometers, the signal is losing, right? So what you need to install, these devices you need to install to amplify the signal. If you see, right, these are the line cards where it will amplify the signals. Okay, so they will amplify the signals. These are the transporters, amplifiers, lot of stuff. Okay, so how many DWM devices we need here for 2000 kilometers? It could be 20. You need to install 20 DWM devices at every 100 kilometers. Okay, so this is optical network engineer and you don't need to worry about it. Just have a knowledge on this. Okay, yeah. Now I
Sir,
told you.
sir, is there any chance to a CCNA person got a job in data center, sir?
Sorry,
Is there any
I
chances?
didn't get your question. Is there any chance?
Chances would a CCNA person,
Hmm.
CCNA engineer to got job in to get job in data center, sir.
Yeah, a lot of people got it right. You know,
हाँ sir. हाँ,
is there any man? It's all about skills. If you go on my website, right? If you go on my website, if you scroll down at the home page, he is a non-technical guy. Who is that? This guy. He is my favorite student. I proudly say.
yeah.
Okay. He's a non-technical guy, Naga Praveen. Okay. He worked in Vizag port. Okay. He
हाँ
got
sir.
a job in DECSX. Can you search about this company?
हाँ sir.
DECSX.
I do. DECIX.
See, it's a data center to data center connectivity. It's a carrier, world
Super sir.
largest carrier. See, he got a
Wow.
job in here. Okay, it's all about skill, brother. It's all
Yes.
about skill. You need
Yes.
to follow my instructions to get a job. See, I did not updated my web page. There are 40 to 50 people got a job, only freshers and experienced candidate a lot also. So see, I just want to share. Just yesterday, I guess yesterday, this guy got a job. See, he got a job in somewhere around uh, VIS Technologies. He's also a
EIS
fresher.
technologies.
Yes, 3.5 lakhs, 3.25 lakhs, fresher. Okay. So
Yes.
see, the thing is, If you have skills, you will get it, man. That's it.
Yes.
As simple as that. I'm here to provide you skills,
Yes,
practical
sir.
skills. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Let me complete. So I told you, right? Please go on mute. At every 30 kilometers, there is a router, right? Not a home router. This is just 1100. Okay. Which is giving, sorry, internet connection to 250 people like that. But in your district, there are 1 lakh people. Okay. You need to give a internet services to all 1 lakh people, right? This is a router. What is this? This is a router. This is called layer 3 device. This router cost could be 3 up to 3 lakhs based on model. See, these all are routers. So these are data center routers. This cost could be more than 1 crore rupees. More than 1 crore rupees. This is 3 lakhs. This is 14 lakhs. You know, it is completely based on the model, processor and line cards and all. Okay, who will manage all these things behind the internet? All the servers, right? Whatever you see, the phone pay server, Google servers, all the servers are connected to these routers. We are the network engineers who maintains these routers. Okay, they will not give access blindly to you. You should have a skill. You should be certified. You have a skill, because if anything happened to this router, entire dependency services will be go down, and it will be a huge loss. Okay, if you observe, right, sometimes the Instagram chat boxes will not work, WhatsApp message will not go because of the server issues. Backend, the network engineers, the network engineers are troubleshooting those issues. Okay, so I'm giving a high level overview. These are the physical devices. After completion of this course, we are working on these devices. It means it's not a hardware job. There is a protocol. There are a lot of things we need to configure. These devices will be installed in field or data center. You need to log in remotely and troubleshoot it. That's it. Okay, I will tell you during this course. I will explain each and everything. Okay, practically. Okay, and now these are the switches. If you imagine, in TCS or in Infosys, Wipro, there are a lot of big MNC companies. Each floor there will be 40 to 50 employees. How they, each 40, those 40 employees, right? We need to provide a laptops or computers. How those computers are connected? All the computers are connected to the switch. This is the switch, LAN ports. So 48 port switch, up to 48 ports. Up to 48 devices we can connect it here in this switch. Okay, this is called LAN. Okay, these are the switches where exactly the computers are connected. Not only computers, CC cameras, printers, IP phones, TVs, whatever it is. Whoever having the RJ45 LAN port, right? This port, they will connect it. These are the uplinks connected to the router. Switch is connected to the router. Router is connected to the another router till the data center. Okay. Yeah. These are the hardware devices. This is also very costly. Okay. Now you will see, right? These are the switches. These are the routers. These are the firewalls. Here we are not teaching Cisco firewalls. We are teaching Palo Alto firewall. Why we need firewall? If you ask this question, why we need a watchman for your company? There is a you have a company or home. Okay, you need a watchman. Why? For security, right? Similarly, if anyone entering into your network, unauthorized people, the hackers, you can say, if they enter into your network, they will steal all your personal data. You need to protect your your personal data and your company data, especially company's data. So each and every company using firewalls. There are two advantages by using firewalls. One is it will protect, it will inspect the traffic, incoming traffic, who is coming. So you will only authorize. Simple, what watchman will do, if you wear the identity card, he will check the identity card, he will allow you. Similarly, whatever the traffic is coming, right, you will put a firewall. Even you on your system, there is a Windows firewall. Okay, you can, what is that, you have to install a firewall. You need to configure, so you need to allow only the legitimate traffic. Okay, it means you need to allow only your known traffic. And what will happen, the traffic only will allow, remaining traffic will be denied. So your company is secure. Okay, every company using firewalls, its top vendor is Palo Alto. You can check. Palo Alto firewall is a top vendor. And let me show you right now. Palo Alto firewall, this information shown by my previous manager. I was worked in Amazon. Okay, see, this is this is what it is, Udemy business. And if you see, right, Palo Alto firewall is a top 4 skill in 2025. Okay, 2025. Other than all, so everyone. That's why we included. This is called internship, where whatever the industries are looking, right. So we added that. So luckily you guys are learning this skill from directly from company Palo Alto Tech Engineer only, and you can see the RC analysis. You can see Cisco Packet Tracer. See Cisco Packet Tracer is there. There are a lot of skills which we are covering in this list. 5 to 10 skills. Okay, with real time with real time projects. Okay, root cause analysis. If anything happened to your network, you need to identify root cause. It should not happen again. Okay, yeah, that will come after the class. I will explain you. Okay, the firewalls plays a vital role, guys. Firewalls plays a vital role in your network. Okay, so I recommend you to do firewall course, everyone. Okay, so that's why we put fire security routers, switches, and core routers. So Juniper, so Cisco routers are good in enterprise network. In data center especially, they are using Juniper routers. So I worked in Juniper. So I will give you a training JNCA, and I will provide you the certification. I'll come to that certification part. So these are the Juniper devices. See, very costly. Okay, these are the Juniper devices. How it look like. So Juniper is another company. Cisco is another company. Like mobile phones, Samsung, Apple. Samsung, Apple is like a Cisco. Samsung is like a Juniper. Okay, just like that. So these are the Juniper devices. So once you complete all this course, you'll get a job, and once you get a job, you'll work on these devices. Okay, remotely. These are the firewalls. Okay, now you understood, right? Why networking? Without networking there is no internet. Okay, you need to sit in data center or wherever you want to go. Okay, wherever the I will show you the job opportunities as well. If you see in this rack, right, in this rack you will see this is a firewall, this is a router, these are the switches. Okay, yeah, lot of devices are there. All these it is connected, these servers are connected to these networking devices at the back end. Okay, yeah, so that suppose example, I'll tell you one example. I build a lab. I have my own server at my home. I build a lab. Okay, so my lab is EVNG lab. So this is the IP address. So my server, anyone can access this. I advertise my own server in public. See, if I click it, right, it is opening. Again, you can check this. This is my server. So I'm giving this link to you guys over meeting. Just check it. Okay. So this is how it is. This is server which is installed in my home, and by using public IP addresses, whatever it is, I will tell you later about IP addresses during the class. I advertise this to everyone so that everyone can see this. Can you check it right now? Can anyone confirm you are able to access my server? So like that, Instagram, YouTube servers are advertised in public so that whoever having the internet connection, they're able to access it. Everyone, anyone tried this to access, are able to see this web page? I pasted on the chat box. Try it and
Yeah.
yeah, you are able to, right? Yeah. This is a cloud lab. This is a server which is installed at my home, and I advertise in public. Similarly, Facebook, YouTube, there are servers which is located in data centers. They are connected to the routers and advertised in public so that you guys are accessing the those applications. Okay, yeah. Now there are bunch of vendors. Okay, like mobile phones, right? What are the vendors? Mobile phone manufacturers: Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, Realme. Lot of mobile manufacturers are there. Similarly, routers also: Juniper, Nokia. Nokia is not for mobile phone, man. Nokia is a big thing. Nokia is a big thing. I worked in Nokia. Okay, there are routers. There are Bharti Airtel, Vodafone. Every customer is using Nokia devices, SR devices. Okay, Huawei, all China people are using Huawei. Man, recently DeepSeek, right? DeepSeek, is this DeepSeek or something? Yeah, it is it is developed by China, and it is now going very well. Okay, fine. Okay, so Cisco is top vendor because everyone is using Cisco, and Juniper is secondary one. Okay, and there are other. These are the core routing and switching platforms. Okay, so here, what I'm providing is CCNA with industrial training and Juniper with training, and I'm giving you the certification, guys. What I'm giving, providing the Juniper certification. Okay, so it means you need to certify, right, to access all this. See, you need to certify to at least access these devices in your company. Only certified engineers and who are having experience, they are allowed to handle those devices. So you cannot, you can do certification, but it cost is 30,000 rupees. But Juniper, it is equivalent to CCNA. Okay, but Juniper, the cost is just 20,000 rupees, $236. But if you write an exam, right, you will get a 50,000 rupees discount. You can get a technical certification with just 5,000 rupees, which is cost of your two pairs of your clothes. You're spending some amount on your clothes, right? Two pairs or three pairs. So if you invest on your technical certification, you will put this logo on your resume and it will be a huge demand for you. Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, within 5,000 rupees, you will get a certification. Okay. It is covered. So you need to, what you need to do, I'm giving a training. So 15,000 rupees discount, you will get it. I will, you can write a voucher exam, you will get it. And within 5,000, you'll get a certification. What you need to do is, so you need to pay just examination fee of 5,000 rupees. That's it. 100% you will pass. For example, I think Pooja, you passed it, right? Pooja has done in this session.
Yeah.
She has done Juniper course and she's certified Juniper engineer, and now she want to enroll CCNA, right, Pooja?
Yes, yes. I have recently cleared Juniper this month itself. I guess maybe 7 or 8 days back.
Yeah, yeah, 7 or 8 days back.
Yeah.
So how was it? What is your experience on Juniper? I mean, like during Juniper classes, you learn something new, even though if you're working.
Yeah. Yeah. Even if I'm working on the Juniper, I'm new here. Like I'm a new grad here in Canada, so that time I don't know like exact what the commands and all that kind of means. And I choose this course, and it was like it make my life easy. So now I can understand all those commands and all that kind of things, and easily ask the doubts. Sometime I will ask Ramesh. It's a like if I'm facing any doubt. Like today only I decommissioned one router from the site,
Oh, okay,
deleting all the routing protocol interfaces and instances.
great. So
And
now it is
those, yeah,
isolated.
it is, yeah.
Yeah,
So
perfect.
yeah, now that will not work. That we will remove the device from the tower.
Yeah. So the thing
Yeah.
is, everywhere the Juniper devices also using, guys. Okay, because you don't have awareness generally. Okay, so I'm giving you that. So because I worked as a tech engineer, I know who is using. Okay, yeah, and Cisco is also everywhere and Nokia. So if you learn Juniper, right, it is easy to work on Nokia. Okay, same command, similar command. Cisco is similar to Arista. Okay, yeah. Now, what kind after completion of this internship, what kind of jobs you will get? So network engineer in data center, you have seen the data center, right? This is a data center, and this is what you need to do. Take care of not servers. Server engineer will be there to take care of servers. These servers are connected to the routers, right? Whatever the networking devices are there in data centers, you have to handle those. Okay, yeah. And next is, this is me. I worked in APSFL project in the year of 2016. This is a pic of 2016. Okay, this data center is located in Vizag. You know, right, in Andhra Pradesh state, we are giving 150 rupee internet, high speed internet, video and phone services at 150 rupees. Chandrababu Naidu garu launched this project on in the year of 2014. I was there to build a data center. So these are the servers, DNS, DHCP servers. It was this is a peak. This is how it look like the data center. Okay, and now I worked as a data center network engineer and then network analyst. So what network analyst will do? He will analyze the network. So whatever the networking devices are there, so how by using monitoring tools, if you are observing any issues, right? You need to note down that you should not reoccur those issues. So you need to analyze it and you need to improve your networking performance. The thing is, the customers should not bother about these services, whatever the services you are providing, right? So the network should be smooth and without having any issues. The network analyst will take care of that process. Okay, now knock center, knock engineer, every fresher will get a job here first. Okay, currently lot of people are working as a knock engineer. So this is good for freshers only for 1 year. You should not travel, you know you should not work as a knock engineer more than 1 year. Because knock engineer, if you work as a knock engineer, so what knock engineer responsibilities, This is a data center, right? There is a thousands of devices are there. If anything happened to those devices, you're not able to identify, right? How you will identify? All these devices are connected to the monitoring tool. This is a monitoring tool. If anything went down, right, if any device went down, the device alert will show you here. Hey, this device went down, please look into it. What knock engineer will do? He will check the ticket, and he will check with the field engineer. Hey, this device went down, please go and visit the site and check it, what is the issue. He will coordinate with the field engineer and he will resolve the issues. Okay, he will have a overview of it, but he doesn't have much exposure to work on it. Just it's a good role for fresher for one year to 2 years, not more than that. Okay, yeah. And now L1 network engineer. So network engineer L1 in the sense, like, if you join in any company, any medium scale company, they will have a networking device. So you don't have access to the devices, but initial configuration, initial setup, you have to do that. So L1 network engineer will take care of that. Okay, another role is network admin. Like, everyone needs internet, right? Hospitals, government organizations, big five-star hotels, right? They need a network engineer. Recently, we have openings in Karnool CMR function hall. So they need a network engineer. They're ready to give 25,000 rupees. Okay, so it's a fresher only. Okay, everywhere there is a network engineer. What you need to do? You need to monitor. See, all the CC cameras are connected there. So there will be a server room in every organization. You need to sit there and monitor all the networks. And if you identify any issues, you need to troubleshoot, and you need to solve the issues. That is a network admin role. Okay. Now this is very important. If you get a chance to work in service provider, join there blindly, because service provider, you implement a lot of routing protocols, lot of stuff. So there are different environments, like service provider, enterprise. This is called enterprise. What do you mean by enterprise? Like a bank. So there are 10 computers, they are getting internet connection. It's a small enterprise network. Service providers, like a Geo, they are giving services to them. So they establish their entire services entire in India, right? So huge things. There will be a lot of departments in service provider. So if you work as a network engineer in service provider, you will have a more scope to explore more things. Okay. Yeah. Now another role is stack engineer. I worked as a stack engineer for 4.5. This is the highest and very hectic role in any company. So if you work as a stack engineer at least for 2 years, you will become a professional network engineer. Because stack engineer, what you will do? Suppose you bought a Samsung phone. If anything happened to the Samsung phone, you will go to the service center, right? Similarly, if you purchased a Cisco device, if anything happened to the Cisco device, they will engage the TAC engineer. TAC engineer analyzed it hardware level and protocol level, both hardware level as well as protocol level, everything. If you have any issues, you are the network engineer, you are already a senior network engineer, you don't know the things, they will engage the TAC engineer. So TAC engineer have good scope to know about hardware as well as protocol. Okay, if you get a chance to work on TAC engineer, just join that, so that you can interact with so many customers throughout the globe. Lot of customers are buying these Cisco devices, right? You may be interacting with them, and you will learn a lot. Your communication skills also will be improved a lot. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity if you get a if you get a chance to work as a TAC engineer. Okay, yeah. Now cloud network engineer, this is me in the year of 2016. I show you, right, that pic. This is called ASR 9K device. This device cost could be more than 1 crore rupees. Okay, so see, now people are called cloud network engineers. Nothing cloud in the sense like remote. Okay, so all the whatever it is there, right, in the data center, the devices. If you work in data center, people used to call cloud network engineer. Just before few years back, they call data center network engineer. Now they call as a cloud network engineer, because all companies are moving to cloud. Means if you want to buy a if you want to create a domain, right, you will create a domain and you need to host the domain. Suppose I recently established my company Tungabhadra Networks. I need a server to access this application. To buy a server, the cost is about 8 to 10 lakhs. I need to install it, I need to power down it, I need to hire an engineer to configure it. It will be cost around 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs. But now I just paid 10,000 rupees. So cloud services are there. They will do everything for me. Okay, my server is somewhere else. I just purchase based on the subscriptions, right? I just purchased it, and my application, everyone is accessing my website now. I saved a lot of amount, right? That's why all the companies infrastructure, they are moving to the cloud. So cloud services are there. If you want to move into the cloud, like Amazon Web Services, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, GCP, Microsoft, you should work as a network engineer at least for 2 years. Okay, the cloud services are front end. You don't have much scope to work on core. So when I was working in Amazon, lot of AWS cloud support engineers want to move into my team. I worked as a network develop engineer in Amazon. So what my roles and responsibilities are like, you know, there are a lot of warehouses. If you order something on your Amazon portal, right, the order will be executed. There are big warehouse IDs. There is a bunch of networking devices are there. We used to handle and take care of all those networking devices in all warehouses throughout the world. Okay, yeah, it was a good role, but Amazon, I don't want to speak about it about management. Just move on. Okay, now, so these are the things. These are the field engineer can do this. Okay, yeah. Initially, I did this as well. I came from this level. That's why I come to know a lot of things. Okay. Now this is Amazon data center. This is how it look like. Okay, very neat and clean. Okay. Now let me talk about me. This is all about technology. So you understood, right? How internet works. Behind the internet, these devices are there. Once you complete this course, you will work on this and all, right? Now you have an idea. Now you have an idea. Now let me discuss about me. So these are the small racks you will see in banks, LIC offices or government offices, right? It's a small enterprise network. I started my career as a network engineer in field for 4 years. I worked in service provider environment also. These are the DWM devices and these are the ASR 903s. Then after I moved to the Infosys. Infosys was my dream company. I don't want to be in field. In field, there's nothing. I was like expecting something like, hey, there is a boys and girls. They are used to go movies. I'm working in, field as a field engineer. Nothing is there in my life. I was worrying I was really worrying about it. Like there's nothing professional environment for me for 4 years. Then I was seeing this Infosys campus. It was very beautiful. I thought this is my dream company. Luckily, I cleared the interview and I joined here, but nothing is there. I was in bench for 4 months. Then I joined in another project. They mapped me with the SAP project, but I denied that, and I really don't like the process in service-based companies. Not only Infosys, everywhere. So you will give an interview, okay? They will hire you, they will put you in bench, and there is a one more interview with the client. If you clear the client interview, then only you will be in project. Until unless you clear the client interview, you will be in bench. That's it. Okay. I just enjoyed for 7 months. Nothing. I didn't done anything. Okay. And then I didn't like that. I was very much passionate about networking, and then I quickly moved to the TAC. Luckily, I got an opportunity with Juniper TAC role, where this is my turning point. If I'm teaching you the subject like this at packet level, this is so TAC engineer. I learned everything here at packet level. Then I moved to Nokia. There is no Nokia pick here because it was happening during Corona. So I did work from home. Then there to Amazon. Now new company. I did not show that. Okay. I supposed to not show that. Okay. So this is my journey. So don't worry about your journey also. If you get an opportunity, freshers especially with field engineer, just do it. You will learn a lot in field. Just do it for 1 year. Do it for 1 year, and then things will easily improve. Okay. Some people may be worried about field engineering, especially about boys. Hey, my family members will think like it's not a professional job. Don't like that. Nobody knows the kind of knowledge you will get at field. I learn a lot. I learn a lot at field. Seriously, I'm telling you. I know everything about. Someone is continuously chatting. Who is that man? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, network architect. Yeah. So you will get a lot of knowledge during field. People who are sitting at office and doing work, they do not have much exposure. Seriously, I'm saying. At least at your office, if you have a data center with the physical devices, right, you will get a much exposure. Okay. Don't worry. See, what I believe one thing. Everything happens for a reason. But if you get an opportunity, I believe this thing as well. If I get an opportunity, I will not lose that opportunity. I will utilize that opportunity, whatever it is. God always be with you, what whoever you believe. Okay, he will give you a good path only. He's suggesting you to do this. See, I without hesitating, I accepted this. Now I'm here. Okay. So yeah, I'll tell you about my package also. So this is about me. Okay. So if you see that pay scale, network administrator, I'm telling you, the starting level fresher package is 2.5 lakhs. It will go beyond that based on your experience. Now experience doesn't matter, skill does matter, guys. Even 2 years of experience candidates are getting 12 lakh rupees, 10 to 12. My cousins are getting, they are having just 2.5 years of experience, 2 years of experience. Okay. Okay. I'm telling you, you have to be skill up, you should have skills. Okay. The starting package could be 2.5, some freshers got 4.5 as well. Okay. Network engineer, network architect, the senior level, right, it will be 18 plus. Okay. The cloud network engineer, it will be more than 20 plus. The senior level, this is 8 plus years of experience. Whoever having 8 plus years of experience, it is 20 plus, but it will be more than that as well. But entry level could be 0 to 2 years, mid level 3.5, senior level is 8 plus years. Okay. So the mid level, in the sense, mid level 6 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees. But this is just, this is just expectation, it is beyond that as well. Okay. So yeah, if you do certification, right, this is all about packages. If you want to see the expected salary, just I will upload this recorded session in YouTube. Just pause here and check it. Okay. Yeah. And see, right, if you do Juniper certificate, the certificate look like this, JNCIA. And this is JNCIS. Pooja, see, this is JNCIS. My student did
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I recommend you to do after 2 years, after 1 year or something. Okay. Don't worry.
Not
You will.
1 year. Actually, my manager set my goal to complete this
Yeah, no
certification
problem.
this year.
Whenever you want, let
So
me
I'm
know.
planning to complete it near about August or September
No problem. Let me
after
know.
CCNA.
Yeah, no problem. Let me know whenever you're ready. We'll work on it. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So once you pass it, right? So this is a pass mark. So today there are three candidates going to write an exam, Juniper exam, and I think people are calling me. I'm also, yeah. So I started my journey. I mean, this teaching journey on July 8th. This is the first batch. They got a job in 30 days. These guys, okay. One guy. See, she's 2020 passed out. Guys, don't worry about career gap, education gap, nothing. You should have skills and certification. That's it. They will check only that. Okay. This IT environment is a business thing, fully commercial. If they need you, they will hire you. Even though if you are a highly skilled candidate, if they don't have any openings, they don't hire you. They will throw you out. So you also should not emotionally attach with the companies. You should be very selfish. Okay. So see, there are two things in your career. One is financial growth, another one is technical growth. Okay. Financial growth will come automatically when you move to other company. So if you technically, if you want to grow, you need to work on multiple projects. Okay, in the same company, or else you need to move to the different company so that you will work on different project. You will learn a lot. Okay, each and every company you will learn a lot. Okay, so she's a fresher, 2020 passed out. She got it, and he's a fresher. He got as a 4.5 lakh per annum, 4 LPA. He's a 2022 passed out. He also got it. T Prakash and this guy as well. And if you see, right, I want to talk about this guy. This guy already got a job in Accenture in placements, during placements, but he denied to join that, because if you get a job during placements, they will train you for 6 months. Then they will provide, you need to complete the assessments, and it will take almost 9 to 10 months to complete all your training. And after that they will put you in bench, and you need to wait for the project. Almost 1.5 year will be wasted in MNCs generally. So I explained him, you got a job directly with company with project. Within 2 months you will be in project, you will learn a lot technically. So he got a two offer letters, and best he choose this. Okay, he's a recently passed out, last year passed out guy. And this guy is also having 1 years of career gap, and she's non-technical person. She worked as a medical coder and moved to the technical, worked in TCS with 5.3, and now she got 14 LPA directly. It's all about skills. She's a irregular, she did this certification. See, JNCA, JNCA certifications will give you more value, the internship than certification. There are a lot of candidates, and I could not put everyone here, right? Just, I'm carrying the old, what is that, PPT only. And now telling about work shifts, there will be a night shifts, guys. Okay, you have to be ready. Okay, so we are providing 24 into 7 environment, right? In 24 into 7 internet service to the customers. So suppose you working in India, but you need to support US customers, right? You need to do night shifts. Okay, especially for boys. Okay, don't worry about night shifts. And girls, maximum they will not put you in night shifts, but some rare cases they will also put you in night shifts. Be ready. Okay, not only this domain, everywhere. Okay, yeah, support projects or other projects. Yeah, okay. Now, any questions on this? You can ask now. You can throw your arrows on me if you with questions.
Hi Ramesh Garu.
Yeah.
Can I speak Telugu?
Yes, one moment. Let me stop this recording. Okay. Questions will be the personals. We can talk in Telugu. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone.